Okay, so I think I figured out what was wrong. Oh, it is still friggin' cold. Okay. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Okay, so this truck does not like the cold at all. She's cold, like you can see it. Don't know if you can see it very well, but that's the exhaust. She's not happy. Yeah, right there, you can see it twitching a bit. So yeah, I'm gonna shut her off now. Oh, but yeah, okay. I'm still working on getting this taken out, and there's my parts to my dirt bike that I'm gonna build too. It's another project. So yeah, here's another cold start done. I'm going back inside where it's warm.